Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. The objective of today's lecture is what is mutable and immutable concept, then what is the difference between both of them, then how list is mutable, and then how string, integer and float are immutable. We know that everything in Python is an object and there are two types of object in Python. The first one is mutable and second is immutable. So let's start with the mutable. Mutable means modifiable. It means the internal content and state of object can easily changeable. Or mutable can be defined as that calling the same method with the same variable may not guarantee the same output because the variable can be mutated at any time by another method. So the use of mutable object is that when there is a need to change the size or content of any object. The example of mutable objects are list, set and dictionary. Now the next is immutable, and immutable means non-modifiable. It means it cannot change their content and state. It means they cannot be changed after it is created. So it does not matter how many times the method is called with the same variable, the output will always be the same. And immutable is a clean and efficient solution to concurrent access. The example of immutable objects are all primary data types like integer, float, string, tuple, etc. Now, let's see the difference between mutable and immutable in tabular format. So, the first one is mutable means modifiable, whereas immutable means non-modifiable. Then mutable examples are all the customized containers like list, set, dictionary, whereas immutables are all primitive data types, integer, float, boolean, string, tuples, etc. Then next is immutable objects are quicker to access than mutable objects. Then mutable objects are very cheap and easy to change, whereas immutable are expensive and cannot be changed. And the last is mutable objects are recommended when there is a need of change the size and content of the object, whereas immutable cannot be changed. So these are the basic difference between mutable and immutable. Now let's see the demonstration of how the list is mutable. So for example, my list equal to 10, 20 and 30. There are three elements. Now when we print the my list, then it will produce the result as 10, 20 and 30. Now for example, we change the value of my list 0th item and we assign the value as 50. Now we print the my list, then it will produce the result as 50, 20, 30. It means it is a mutable object. Now next is how a string is immutable. For example, name equal to hello and then we print the name, then it will produce the result as hello. Now we will change the value of index 0 in name, then it will produce the error because we cannot change the string, so it is immutable. Now next is how integer and float are immutable. Suppose a equal to 10 and then the value of a is assigned to b and then we find the address of a and b variable, then we get the same address because these value of a and b are same. Now we will change the a's value by a plus 1, then we will print the value of ab, then it will produce the result as 11 and 10. Now we will find the id or address of a and b variable, then it will different because the value of a is 11 and b is 10. So integer, float and string are immutable because they cannot be changed after it is created. So this is the demonstration of mutable and immutable concept. Thank you.